I'm Greg Foley. I received a double lung transplant in Newcastle in 2002 and a kidney transplant in Beaumont Hospital on New Year's Day 2011. Well, bizarre as it seems, I was born in 1963, which makes me 55 now, and I was diagnosed with CF in 1969, I think it was. And I had a reasonably normal life up until sort of the mid to late 90s when my health began to deteriorate. So by 2002, I needed a double lung transplant. There's no doubt without the lung transplant in 2002, I wouldn't have made my 40th birthday. When you're really ill, as I was before the lung transplant, you tend to just be in the moment the whole time. And that's not to say there weren't a couple of moments of despair. You know, I can remember sitting on the bed, putting my head in my hands and saying, will this nightmare ever end? And I think probably the key thing the whole time is that you have hope. And when I was on the lung transplant list, I had hope. And when I was on the kidney transplant list, I had hope. And I think if you have hope, there's no need for heroics or anything. You can stick anything for a limited period of time. And I always believed that things would come through for me. The fact that somebody has given you their lungs, or the family at least have, really makes you want to get better, want to achieve again, want to get back to normality. And they're a great driving force, if you like, for you to get back to normal and not to just kind of wallow in things. I'm certainly thinking of my donor made me really determined to achieve, work hard, achieve more, give back something to society. I'd certainly love to be able to thank the family of my donors in some way, because I wouldn't have had Leo only for getting that transplant in 2002. So it was really life-changing on many levels. I remember when I was having my double lung transplant, or when I was over being assessed for it, there was a nurse on the ward who'd had 8 years since her transplant. She was a CF patient as well. And I remember thinking, my God, if I got another 5 years even, wouldn't it be fantastic? But then when 5 years come up, then you want another 5, and I'm nearly 17 years now, and I still have loads more to achieve. And I think that's what donating organs can do. It doesn't just save your life at that point, but it creates a whole new set of opportunities for you to do good, or to have families, to achieve. I know I use that word a lot, but it really is a transformational thing. It's more than just keeping the person alive. It's creating so many opportunities for the person to live a normal life, and sometimes for a very long time. You know, it's not about just giving you another couple of years. It's, you know, it can be 20, 25, and you can do a lot in that time. I still divide my life up into my pre-2002 life and my post-2002 life. It really is absolutely earth-shattering, really, what it can do for you.